Vibriosis is an infection caused by different species of Vibrio bacteria that live naturally in waters where salt water meets fresh water. It can cause foodborne infections with gastrointestinal symptoms through consumption of raw or undercooked shellfish, such as oysters, clams, and mussels. Some Vibrio species can also cause severe bloodstream infections when entering through cuts or an open wound during swimming in warm coastal waters. This is particularly dangerous for elderly persons or persons with diseases affecting their immune system, as the infection can then be fatal. Climate change is expected to increase the risk for vibriosis. With warmer air and water temperatures, the conditions become more favorable for Vibrio to multiply to potentially dangerous levels. People are also more likely to visit beaches for recreational swimming. ECDC uses real-time satellite data on sea temperature and salinity to predict conditions that promote Vibrio growth. The areas in Europe most affected by Vibrio bacteria are typically the coastal regions, especially those with warmer sea surface temperatures and where the water has more salinity than fresh water but less than seawater. These include particularly areas in the Baltic Sea, but also the North Sea and parts of the Mediterranean Sea. Here are some simple steps to keep yourself safe from vibriosis. First, cook your seafood thoroughly. Wash your hands and clean surfaces thoroughly when handling raw seafood. These are easy ways to stop infections and will also protect from other foodborne illnesses. Second, if you have any cuts or wounds, keep them covered with a waterproof bandage when swimming in the ocean, or, if possible, stay out of the water altogether. This is particularly important for the elderly or those with a weakened immune system who are particularly vulnerable to infection. Now you know what vibriosis is, how you can catch it, and, most importantly, how to prevent it. Stay safe and enjoy your holidays and your seafood.